Example A. Find the sum. Remember, the sum is an answer to an addition problem. You may record your answer as an improper fraction, proper fraction, or mixed number. Make sure you simplify the fraction completely. So I'm going to click that arrow down to get rid of that so I have room to write. And now I'm going to go ahead and change any mixed numbers to improper fractions. That's step 1. So to do that, I'm going to go ahead and multiply the whole number by the denominator. 9 times 9 is 81. And then I add the numerator, so I add 7 to 81. And I get 88. That becomes the new numerator, and the denominator stays the same, so it stays a 9. Then from there, I multiply the whole number 3 by the denominator 9, and I get 27. And then I add the numerator 4. 7 plus 4 is 11, so I put a 1 here and carry the 1. 2 and 1 makes 3, so I get 31. And it's 31 ninths, because remember the denominator stays the same. And then the 8 ninths is a proper fraction, so I don't have to change anything about it. It's a proper fraction because the numerator is smaller than the denominator. An improper fraction is when you have a larger numerator than denominator. Alright, now I take a look at the last step and it says add, in this case we're adding, the numerators and keep the denominator the same. So the easy part is keeping the denominator the same, so that's a 9. And then this is supposed to be a 31. I know it doesn't really look like a 31, but that's a 31. And in my head I'm going to go ahead and add 31 and 8, that's 39. And then I just need to add 88 to that amount. 8 plus 9 is 17, so I place a 7 here and carry the 1. 8 plus 1 is 9, and then plus 3 more, so I just count out 10, 11, 12. So 127 ninths. Now I'm not really sure if I can reduce that or not, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to break up the 9 into its prime factors. And then all I have to do is check and see if 127 can be divided by 3. So 7 plus 2 is 9, plus 1 is 10. 10 is not a multiple of 3, so it's not divisible by 3. So this is as simple as it gets. So I'm going to go ahead and type in the answer as an improper fraction. I'm not going to take the time to change it to a mixed number. Remember, the directions said I could put it in as an improper fraction if I wanted. And you can see I have the green light at the top, so I got it correct.